Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with Systems in Action Episode 5. So right here I have a Notifier NBG12LX addressable pull station. Then I have a Notifier FSP851 smoke detector. And then lastly I have a System Sensor SPSR speaker strobe. So, since I have a speaker strobe and I have Notifier flash scan devices, you're probably wondering what the panel is. Well, it is a Notifier NFS2-640. Here it is. So right now it's system normal. I put my custom label up there, Honeywell Fire Safety, just for the heck of it, no particular reason. As you can see, the date is correct, however the time is not. And also, you may have noticed I have a Notifier AMG audio message generator, so now we have voice evac for the system as well. So to get the test started, I'm going to go ahead and pull the NBG12LX and we'll go from there. So here we go.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in the building. A fire has been reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairway and exit the building. Do not use the elevators.
Alarm silence. Let's go ahead and reset the pull station. As you can see, NBG12LX, if the camera will focus. This is set as address number 1. And we'll go ahead and do a system reset. Now the system goes into trouble on these panels because it has a stage, or whenever you reset the system it goes into a system initialization for a minute. So I'm going to cut the video here, and then once the system goes back to normal we'll test the smoke detector. Alright, we are back. System is normal. Let's go ahead and test the Notifier FSP851 with some canned smoke. Let's do the good old smoke saver. And we'll go ahead and test it.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in the building. A fire has been reported in the building.
Alarm silence, and what we're going to do now, since we sprayed smoke into it, I just like to take a canned air and spray it out just a little bit. That way it doesn't go back into alarm. And now we will do a system reset and acknowledge the system initialization trouble. Alright, and with the magic of video editing, we are back for 2 more things on this system that I want to demonstrate today. One, I'm going to demonstrate the drill button on this panel and also the microphone at the end. So for this configuration, for some reason the drill button activates the tornado message. Not really sure why it does that. It probably has to do with zoning or something like that in the program, but there's really no other way to set off the tornado alert, so I guess we'll just do that anyway. So here we go.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? A tornado warning has been issued for this area. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Please take all appropriate safety actions at this time. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
Alarm silence, we'll go ahead and reset. And then once the system goes back to normal, we will end the video with a test of the microphone. Alright, we are back again, system is normal. Let's go ahead and do a test of the microphone, and that'll be it for the video. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? That was a test of the fire alarm system. You may return to all normal activities. Once again, that was a test of the fire alarm system. You may return to all normal activities. Thank you and have a good day. And that is it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, we are back again. System is normal. We will now go ahead and test the microphone on the Notifier AMG. Press all call. Grab the mic here. Crap.